पद्मासने संस्थिता वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदा नाद ब्रह्मा
Please be seated.
This convocation of the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, has been called to confer degrees upon candidates who have been certified to be worthy of receiving the same. I hereby declare the 54th convocation open. I request the director to please present a memento on behalf of the Institute to the Honorable Prime Minister.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी, चेयरपर्सन बीओजी आदरणीय डॉक्टर के राधाकृष्णन, बीओजी के अन्य सम्मानित सदस्य, एकेडमिक सीनेट के सदस्य, अन्य सभी गणमान्य अतिथि, प्रिय छात्र, देवियों और सज्जनों, भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान कानपुर के 54वें दीक्षांत समारोह में मैं आप सभी का हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं। इस महत्वपूर्ण अवसर पर सभी छात्रों और उनके गौरवान्वित परिवारों, मानद उपाधि ग्रहण करने वाले विशिष्ट महानुभावों और अन्य सभी पुरस्कारों और पदक विजेताओं को मेरी हार्दिक बधाई। सर, we are indeed privileged and honored to have you amongst us on this momentous occasion. Despite the shadow of COVID-19 pandemic, the academic session has been a truly rewarding one, and it is a privilege for me to recount some of our academic and R&D activities pertaining to this year. It is a moment of pride for me to inform that 1723 degrees are being awarded today, out of which 194 are PhDs. For the first time, the degrees will also be given through an in-house blockchain-driven technology developed at our institute under the National Blockchain Project. Sir, this year the institute has established 2 new departments. Department of Sustainable Energy Engineering, with the aim of becoming a vital contributor to nation's growing clean and renewable energy sector, and Department of Cognitive Science as a foray into an interdisciplinary study of mind. The institute has also launched e-masters program in various disciplines for upskilling industry professionals. With a vision to transform into a large multidisciplinary university in line with NEP 2020, sir, the institute is in the process of establishing School of Medical Research and Technology, which will serve as the hub for nurturing startups in medtech domains for the indigenous development of medical technology. The pioneering R&D at IIT Kanpur is an example of institute playing a lead role in furthering the national development agenda. During this year, 191 sponsored projects and 128 consultancy projects were sanctioned, and we received a total funding close to 250 crores for sponsored and consultancy projects. 61 IPRs were also filed by the institute. The cutting-edge research in the area of environment and sustainability, clean energy renewable, flexible electronics, nanotechnology, blockchain technology, defense and aerospace, 5G and beyond communication technology being undertaken in the institute shapes the country's aspiration to become self-reliant. सर, मुझे सूचित करते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आईआईटी कानपुर ने उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के साथ बड़ी संख्या में प्रोजेक्ट में भागीदारी की है। हाल ही में एक संयुक्त पहल के रूप में एआई तथा इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए एक सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस की स्थापना की गई है। IIT Kanpur has a strong ecosystem of innovation and incubation, and I am proud to mention that the incubator has achieved a historic milestone of crossing 100+ startups in its portfolio. One of our incubated companies, Aquafront Infrastructure, recently deployed a patented technology to construct the world's first floating CNG filling station for eco-friendly boat on the Khirkiya Ghat in Varanasi. Sir, IIT Kanpur's core strength lies in its world-class faculty who continue to push frontiers of knowledge and create new ones. I am proud to share that